To create a path for cars to move on it, enter a context, then path, and then vehicle path. Select this drawing tool, and click wherever you want on the scene. Click, and right click to finish. After drawing, as you can see the car on the path, and you can grab these points and move and edit the path. As you can see, there are also plus sign between the points that you can click on them and add a new point. In the scene manager, a layer has been created for this path. You can create as many paths that you want. Okay. Now we go into settings. In a lane count, you can specify the number of routes that cars travel. For example, 2 lanes. In the 2 lanes, you can make 2 ways pass. For example, 2 lines for cars going and 2 lines for cars coming back. As you can see. In a lane offset, you can set the distance between moving lines. In a density, you can specify the number of cars. And in a speed, you can control the speed of the cars. Traffic rule, you can choose between 2 types, right hand and left hand. And of course, in the reverse, you can also reverse the direction of the movement. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now, you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.